All right, good day everybody. Jay here from New Affiliate News, and I want to welcome you to today's video. This SEO Software Solutions video. Today I'm taking a morning walk, and as you guys know, with COVID-19 around, we're all unfortunately staying in our house and locked down. So my best wishes to you and your family. At this point, it's kind of driving me a little batty, but got to do what you got to do in order to stay alive. I'm here in Michigan, and we're locked down pretty good, getting hit with obviously the COVID-19 huge problem that we have. But again, my blessings to you, and let's take a look at my SEO Software Solutions. Let's get over to my laptop, and I'll finish up my walk, and I'll be right there. Let's get going. Have a great day, guys. SEO PowerSuite, which consists of 4 different softwares. But to make this real quick, guys, thanks for being my friend on Facebook or wherever you're seeing this. Let me give you a real quick overview of what this suite of softwares is actually good for. Okay, so if you own an online business, stay with me. This is only a minute here that I'm going to get right through this. So SEO PowerSuite starts out with Rank Tracker. It's a keywords and rank monitoring software and does much more than that. The next one is a website auditor, guys. You're auditing your site for on-page and off-page optimization. It's absolute must-have if you have an online business. And then let's move over to SEO SpyGlass. You can do backlink research, you can do auditing, and you can spy on your competitors, even get their backlinks, find where their backlinks are coming from, and go from there. You know the power of backlinks, guys. Okay, so off to Link Assistant, where you're building links and doing management. I've been using this software for quite some time, and now they've actually authorized me to help distribute to my friends only, you guys, my friends only. So you guys can get this software not only for free, but you can get a 14-day professional trial through the link below. Through messaging me below, because I only have so many of these available. So you'll have to follow the directions in the description below, and we'll go from there. But let me give you a real quick overview, guys, of what this does. Let's start with Rank Tracker. So Rank Tracker, as you get into it, there's a bunch of different tabs and everything that it actually runs as far as keyword rankings, progress, different types of details, also the keywords in the top 10. As you can see, I'm using Diet Doctor as one of my favorite websites as far as in-depth content for dieting. Shows you what the organic traffic is, and then you have everything over here: keyword research, competitor research, and domain strength. All right, guys, I know I'm going to be going through this real quick, but I want this to be a real short video since it's to you guys, my friends, and my colleagues on Facebook and wherever else you're seeing this. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move over to Link Assistant. Within Link Assistant, there's many different things that you can look up through browser. You can import your own emails and send it out from there, see domain strength, and also do reports for your clients. If you're actually running an SEO agency, this is perfect. So let's do this first. Let's look for prospects. You have the option of guest posting, commenting, and all these directories, reviews, giveaways to get links, prospects from. Okay, there's much more to it, but I'm just giving you a brief little overview of what this is. Let's move on to the next one, SEO SpyGlass. With SEO SpyGlass, there's a lot involved with this. Again, you can go reports, domain strength, bulk analysis. You can compare domains and the competitiveness of the domains in comparison to you or for your clients, again, like I said, and it breaks it all down between backlink profile. This is, I'm looking at the summary. Today's the 12th of February. You can look at backlinks, domains, anchor text, link pages, referral traffic. Even if there's a penalty risk, it breaks that down for you, and much, much more. Like again, I'm just scratching the surface, guys, as you can see by this summary. Um, you can tell what backlinks you've lost, what backlinks you've gained, most recent, and a whole bunch of other uh, algorithm, uh, SEO algorithms, and updates that this thing gives on a daily basis gives you all this information. Okay, let's move on real quick, guys. This is getting a little on the long side for you guys, but that's okay. I want you to know about the software. Again, I'm moving over to the website auditor. It does so much, guys. It's something I've been using, and again, for free. You can have the free version, which has done me justice for quite some time. So with this, the site structure, on-page SEO, structured data breaks it down for you. Links, technical factors, in-link rank, which is SEO PowerSuite's algorithm for links. But we can get into more of that at a later time. I just want to show you guys this, and then page traffic, it all breaks it down for you. So at this point, guys, I thank you for coming, for actually watching this video in its entirety. This is something that I've been using for quite some time, and I swear by it at this point. Again, my name's Jason. If you don't know me, check my profile, take a look. You know that I do local SEO for small businesses here in the US. I recommend that you get this. Even the free trial lasts forever. But I am now been told that it's a good idea, and I do obviously want to do it for you guys. Get yourself the 14-day professional license, um, because you can test out the software, the professional license, for 14 days at no charge, and you'll be well on your way to deciding if you want to keep this or if you want to stay with the free version, which is also excellent and going to give you some really good stuff as far as SEO is concerned. All right, thanks guys. This video is getting really long, so check out everything in the description below, and I will get back to you as soon as absolutely possible. Have a great one, guys.